What's up guys, welcome to another video, and there is special news for you. After the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition, Samsung could now submit a Fan Edition of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 relatively quickly. The reference to this is provided by the code on the Samsung website in Brazil, where a Galaxy Note 20 Fan Edition is mentioned. We were hoping the Galaxy Note 20 Fan Edition would coming soon, but now a possible leak could accidentally confirm Samsung's successor to the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Since the normal Samsung Galaxy Note 20 was probably a flop, and Samsung has already officially confirmed other Fan Edition models, I would not be surprised by this step. When the Lite models were released a Galaxy lineup last year, there was also a Galaxy S10 Lite and a Galaxy Note 10 Lite. The Romanian website Android.ro mentions the name of a phone in HTML hypertext markup language on the Samsung website in Brazil. The author says this could just be a bug from Samsung, as the text seemed to be missing when we checked. However, we hope that this is an accidental indicator of the imminent arrival of the cell phone. The text also states that this phone has a 6.5-inch screen. It's smaller than the 6.7-inch Galaxy Note 20 and 6.9-inch Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, but it's the same size as the S20 Fan Edition. We are assuming the phone also has a similar triple camera setup to the Fan Edition of S20, but differs in a more angular design and the Galaxy Note's S Pen branding. During the launch of S20 Fan Edition, Samsung mentioned that more phones with a Fan Edition are planned in the future. We immediately assumed that this is meant a Fan Edition Class 20, so this leak was not entirely clear. There are missing of some premium features of S20 Fan Editions compared to the base of S20, such as BQHD resolution, rear glass, less RAM, and several different cameras. The overall package, however, is exactly what you would expect from an entry-level flagship. This is something that Apple's new iPhone 12 line cannot compete with, and now Samsung is expanding that line, which will help get it started on this area. Let's wait and see for the future coming weeks. Maybe it was just a mistake by a Samsung employee. I don't think so, but I assume that an Fan Edition of a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 will not come until early 2021. Otherwise, it would have been officially presented for sure. So I think you enjoyed this video. So before going to anyway, please subscribe my channel and also click on the bell icon for the latest upcoming videos.